The marsh attracts a whole variety of animals during the heat of the day, making the most of a constant supply of food and water, including big herds of elephants. Inevitably, they stumble into our lions, who, despite their reputation, they're not about to argue. Elephants simply won't tolerate lions, especially when they've youngsters to protect. Even old Scar is forced to give way. Not easy on a full stomach. You don't stop and reason with an angry elephant, that's for sure. Yeah, you don't.
Throw down the gauntlet there, huh?
Oh, got a big rumble there.
Oh,
funny.
Huh?
My toys at you.
Yes, thank you.
$10 on the ride.
Oh no, man! What the hell?
Oh,
No, Robert.
God, it's terrible.
No, man.
That's the end of that buffalo.
The crocodile seizes the moment and bites the trunk of the careless mother elephant. It is very rare for a crocodile.
The single tusker moves to shut down the angle. He flaps his ears to intimidate his rival. The smaller male should back down, but he disregards the warning. Let the battle begin. Driven by hormones, these fights could continue for over 10 hours. The young bull tries to twist his opponent so he can skewer and kill him. But the older bull is stronger and keeps. With just one tusk, the old male must work twice as hard. But the hormone-fueled youngster is relentless. The single tusker puts all his effort into one last thrust. The old bull admits